Well, here's a rare silver art bar. It features a phoenix bird on the front, a Phoenix, Arizona. It's 1 troy ounce of 99.9% pure silver, and quite neat artwork here. Pretty detailed with the phoenix bird rising up out of the flames, the ashes. As the myth goes that it rises up out of the ashes of its predecessor. Okay, on the back side, we have the number 252. This was a limited edition. This is number 252 of about 1,000, I believe, is what was minted of these back in the 70s. This one, 1972. Phoenix, Arizona.